Hello, leaders, and welcome to Run to Your Leadership Challenges. So this week, we've been talking all about leadership game changers, or the things that really can be good or be really bad for your team. And specifically, we're talking about what actions that you can take as a leader to ensure that your game changers help your team in a positive manner. Today, let's talk about big wins. So it's pretty obvious how a big win can be a game changer for your team, right? I mean, whenever the team has a big win, things are very good around the office or around the shop or around the plant. Leaders need to capitalize on big wins, however. You need to celebrate with your team. Now, I'm not talking about the wins like just having a good day or maybe even a good week. I'm talking about big wins, like landing a big contract or completing a big job ahead of schedule, or maybe even being named the best team in your organization. I'm talking about big wins. Now, it's important for leaders to reward great work and give credit where credit is due. Don't just reward the entire team because one or two people crushed it over the past month. Reward the people who truly deserve the credit. If you reward everyone for the work of just one or two people, you actually risk demotivating the one or two team members who really excelled. Of course, if it is truly a team effort, reward the entire team accordingly. The cool thing about a big win is everyone seems to be lifted up a bit, and you want to take advantage of that mood. You see, a big win creates momentum for the team. And leaders can ride momentum for a very long time if you lead your team correctly. Now, as I mentioned earlier, it's important not to reward the entire team for the excellent work of a couple team members. However, it is important to recognize the effort of everyone on the team who's doing good work, of course. Have a team celebration when you have big wins. Reward your key team players that did the actual work and recognize the good efforts of the other team members. Because ultimately, a big win is time to celebrate as a whole team. Big wins are important times for a leader to be present and around your team. Share the big win with your team, among them. Celebrate with them. Share your excitement with them because that will be contagious. Hey, as always, thanks for listening. Have a great day, and until tomorrow, run to your challenges.